you're working in a workbook and there are multiple tabs of data, it's often the case that you'll need to zoom in on some sheets more than others to drill down into certain data more closely. For presentation purposes, when you finish working on a workbook and want to send it off to someone for their review, it's nice to have a consistent presentation across each worksheet within the workbook. Instead of having different zoom levels within each worksheet, you can easily change the zoom level of all worksheets at once and make them consistent at the same zoom level. All you need to do in order to make this happen is click on the first tab of the workbook, hold the Shift button, and then scroll over to the last tab of the workbook and click on it so that all of the tabs are highlighted. Once you have this done, in the bottom right corner of the screen, click on the percentage of zoom button, and this will modify the zoom level. Here, I'll modify the zoom levels to 90% and press enter. Now this will modify the zoom level of all of the worksheets in the workbook, not just the one that I have active. And so this will save you time from having to go to each individual worksheet and resetting the zoom level to whatever you want it to be. This way you can do it all at once very easily. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.